What is up, everybody? This is George from Adventure GT, and this is my 2017 Jeep Renegade. Today, on this video, I'm going to be adding the angry eyes that everyone loves. One of the best mods, easiest, cheapest, and coolest mods you can put on your Renegade, and they go right on the headlight, right over here, both sides. Today, I'm going to be putting them on. Very simple. Shouldn't take very long. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you clean it. You see all the bugs? Yeah, look at all the bugs. Look at all that. First thing we're going to do is clean it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be using this foam glass cleaner. Pretty sure it will work. It's glass cleaner, it's foam. It doesn't look like it'll leave any streaks or anything like that. So I think we'll be pretty solid. We'll let them dry up. Once it dries, we'll install it. Alright, so when it comes to these parts, honestly, you can buy these things on Amazon, eBay, pretty cheap. For the most part, they're all going to be about the same. When it comes to install, you can't mess it up. Only one side goes to another. Let me show you an example. On this guy, you can see it just looks like it fits perfect. If I try to put the other side on, there is no try. It will not let you just because the way it's made. So it's good. It's dummy proof. Yes. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the right one. You don't want to peel the wrong one and then have it set it to the side. Looks good to me. Make sure your surface is dry, ready for install. On the back, you have that red tape. We're going to peel it off all the way. Then we'll just press it on. Let's do this. Alright, just rip it off just like so. And we'll throw it on. Make sure you have it straightened out, so when you're ready, you just give it that good push. Sure it's touching. There's no gap. You don't want any gaps. It's just sitting right. Just press on it. Don't overkill, especially right here. There's nothing there to support it, so if you push on it too hard, it will easily crack and break. So just be cautious with that. Just give it a couple pushes. Make sure everything sticks. And there goes my plastic. I gotta go catch that. I'll give it a second. Remember to pick up your trash, people. Okay, first one's done. Move to the next headlight. By the way, I did pick up my trash, just in case nobody believed me. Right. Put it in my pocket. Okay, same thing on the other side. Peel the tape, and we'll press it on. Oh yeah, that's some ASMR for you. Alright, let's put this bad boy on. And it's dummy proof for all you dummies out there. Alright guys, and that's it. Simple as that. Now let's see how it looks all together. Bang. Bang. That's a mean car. The mean green car. Awesome. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. Remember to like. I'm out.